Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to install Chrome extensions into Brave. Now, before we begin, you're going to need version 0.5 or above in order to use extensions. If you're still running version 0.2, you'll need to do an update. You can get the updated version of Brave at brave.com/download. You can download this, and version 0.5 should install alongside of version 0.2. This means you can use both versions at the same time if you wanted to. Now, that being said, before you do that install, always make sure you have a backup. Once you've installed version 0.5, you can head over to chrome.google.com/web store. Now you might be asking, why Chrome? Why Google? That's just because Brave doesn't have their own web store just yet. It's coming. But for now, use the Chrome web store. So we'll head over there and we'll have to pick an extension to install. So we can do Evernote because it's quite a popular one. And here it is. You can click on Add to Chrome. It's going to say Brave hasn't reviewed this extension yet. It might be malicious. This one's okay. We can click on Add Extension. It will download it. It will check the extension. And then once it's done, that's it. It's done. It's already installed. And what you could do is just go back to the Chrome web store and install all of the other extensions that you require. And that's it.